channel. Today Caitlin and I will be making DIY edible gummy bear slime. It will be amazing. So, well, let's just get right into it. Well, you're gonna need some gummy bears and put them in the microwave. We already did that, and this is our like gooey gummy bears. They came from this that we've been eating, so it's like half full. But so we've been melting, and then there's Caitlin's. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add some powdered sugar, and this is gonna taste delicious.
I don't know how you
I'm sorry.
It's hot. It's very hot.
Caitlin, come over here. This is where we're gonna be filming from. Way back here. Way back here. Back here. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do to make your delicious gummy bears is to add some C&H confectioner's powdered sugar,
Or any type of powder.
or any type of powdered
For
sugar.
that matter.
But we're just gonna add a bit. So like it's about.
It's already starting to get pretty slimy.
It is.
Oh, mine looks like a booger. It's a booger.
Oh, that is crazy. Look at this, you guys.
It's hot. Hot. Hot.
It's hot though. It's like really, it's hot and thick, like hot maple syrup. It's really, it's good though. Mine's gonna taste like apple. I can already kind of smell that. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a bit more powdered sugar. This is gonna be delish, but I'm not gonna eat it.
Oh, we have to try it.
Oh geez, it like
Squeeze it up. Oh my gosh, it's
some powdered sugar
so hard.
like got on
It's
my.
getting so slimy.
Look at this.
I'm gonna touch it.
I'm gonna touch it. Because if it's going in your mouth, you may as well touch it. Am I right?
We might get until it gets better slime.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's boiling. It like hurts to touch it. That's really bad. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but I've watched Colin's Key do this.
He's awesome.
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe to him and
If you're not,
us. He made this cool one, and just eating the sour just made me laugh. It's so like, but anyhow, moving on from that talk, it is starting to get very
Colin Key talk.
like super thick. Hold on.
Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, mine's turning into slime. Oh.
What the? That.
I know.
This is like the best tasting thing in the world. Wait a minute. Let's just get you guys a close up. Never mind. Anyhow. No, I got powdered sugar on my tablets. Wait. This is candy floss.
No one.
I'm not kidding. This is candy floss, you guys.
What's that?
It's I don't know, but I've had it. I can't remember what it looked like. It is like apple flavored candy floss. I need to add some cornstarch.
Do you try some of mine?
Sure. Yours is sour. Mine is sweet.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I can taste more of yours than I can mine.
Anyhow, I'm just gonna dang it.
Yours really tastes like sour apple.
just gonna go all hand movements now. Just gonna I seriously need some more powdered sugar. It's like so sticky. I don't want it sticky.
No, sticky. I don't even care if it's doughy, because like we're gonna eat it.
Yep.
We
Oh!
should save the gummy bears when school starts, because at lunch we can do that.
But we're not going to the same school, so I am moving on to middle school.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's still sticky, but not as sticky.
Oh wow! Oh my god!
Yours is super sticky.
Wow!
Oh wait, it's not that sticky. It's not sticky. Oh yay! What the? It's still sticky now. Dang it! I stand corrected. We have made a huge mess. Oh.
We have to clean this up.
R.I.P. No, it is too sticky. It is too sticky. Look at this.
Look, it's really thick.
This is too sticky. I mean, this might. Look at this, you guys.
Play with it more.
Caitlin, like, get some powdered sugar.
This was my idea. I paid for the gummy bears, by the way. I had to massage his dad's neck, and I got $5 from doing.
My dad is willing to just like give money. I am making a mess.
This out. This is getting pretty good. Still pretty sticky.
I'm just gonna go and eat mine.
I wonder what would happen if we left this out.
It would probably be covered in flies. Fruit flies.
Everything that comes in my room pretty much dies in my room. Every bug. Like, I have a bunch of dead moths in my house. One, I found 2 in my fish's bowl.
She eats them, that's how they
Ew. I don't really like mine.
die. I love them. They're delicious.
I think this is disgusting. Oh my god, cool.
Tastes good?
Oh my gosh, mine doesn't even green.
Let's just hope the dad doesn't see us.
But you don't have phone so. Oh my god, mine is actually slime. It's hard to eat.
We seriously need to get cleaned up. Anyhow, this wasn't the prettiest of slimes, but it was delicious. Like the best slime in the world.
I'm gonna keep up. I'm gonna still try. Yeah. Hey, not giving up today. There's nothing getting in.
Just describe how this tastes. It tastes like apple.
Okay, try yours now. Seriously. It's slime.
I don't like yours.
I don't like mine either.
Mine's a lot more messy.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna have to end the video here because we're gonna clean this.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. I can't get it.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Oh,
Oh, jeez, it's like waxing. It rips off all your hair.
Oh my god. Look at my beautiful hands.
Anyhow,
Please like, subscribe, and we'll check you later in the next video. Goodbye. This is gonna be end the video.